To begin to explore the hidden world of ultraviolet, I'm meeting Ron Douglas, Professor of Visual Neuroscience at London City University. And some very friendly birds. We've got starlings here who are eagerly pecking away at the food we've got for them. Starlings have a special relationship with UV. Their eyes can see this colour, and some of the female birds' feathers reflect it. I'm intrigued to know why.
They are actually very, very sensitive to UV. They have photoreceptors that respond in the UV, and they also have lenses at the front of the eye that let the UV through. So they really are true experts at UV vision.
And what is it that they're looking at? What can they see with UV vision?
Well, when it comes down to it, for most animals, life is really about two things. It's about food and sex. Perhaps UV reflecting female starlings are attractive to male starlings, because female UV reflecting starlings, they have much bigger brood sizes. They're more effective at having young. So that must mean they're more effective at attracting the male starling.
Now we've got a mixed group around us, both males and females, and I can't tell the difference between them just by looking at them.
Some of the bits of their feathers reflect ultraviolet light. Of course, we're completely unaware of that. But they are attracted, in part, to the ultraviolet colours.
So there's no excuse at all for thinking that the world is the way that we humans see it and that we have the best vision of all.
No, absolutely. In most respects, we have inferior vision to a lot of animals. So we've seen that we don't see ultraviolet light, but a lot of animals do. In fact, for every aspect of vision, you can pick out an animal and it does it better than us.
One creature that's long had a reputation for superb eyesight is the eagle. Meet Sasha. Ron, we've got quite a noisy eagle here. He's talking away to us, and he's having a good look at everything. But he's not seeing the world in quite the same way that we are. What's different about his vision?
His ability to see detail is about twice as good as ours. It's like having more pixels in your camera. The more pixels, the higher the quality of the image.
Until recently, it was generally thought that all birds of prey had UV vision, and that this made them better hunters.
There was a very nice story going around that raptors in general could follow the urine trails laid down by small mammals. Since urine reflects ultraviolet light, it was thought that raptors could probably find voles by following the UV reflection from urine trails. Sadly, that seems not to be true. And it's not really true that he doesn't have the photoreceptors to see ultraviolet light, but he actually puts a filter in his lens that cuts out most of the ultraviolet light.
On the face of it, ultraviolet sounds as though it should be extremely useful to a top predator. But there's a reason Sasha doesn't make use of it.
The one thing we do know about birds of prey is that they have amazingly keen eyesight. They're really good at seeing fine detail. Now, a problem with ultraviolet light is it's scattered more than other wavelengths, so ultraviolet light gives you poor images.
As a bird of prey, the last thing you want when hunting small animals is a lot of scattered light and a blurry image. And that's why Sasha has a lens over his eye that filters out the unhelpful ultraviolet. We humans have also evolved to filter out UV, both for visual acuity and protection.